Hello and welcome back to Ajay Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on commodities. I'm Neena, and today, on the 22nd of May 2024, we are diving into the recent developments in the sugar market, where we've seen some intriguing shifts. In today's video, we'll be discussing the recent dip in ICE sugar prices, driven by the anticipation of abundant global supplies. Let's break down the key factors contributing to this trend and what it means for the market moving forward. On Tuesday, ICE sugar prices experienced a moderate decline. The July raw sugar contract fell by 0.12 cents, or 0.36%, closing at 18.56 cents per pound. This decline continues the trend from last week, where prices rebounded from an 18-month low of 17.95 cents. Despite the rebound, the contract ended last week with a significant 6% loss. Over in London, the August ICE white sugar contract also saw a decrease, falling $6.40, or 1.2%, to close at $544.40 per metric ton. These price movements reflect the market's cautious stance amid expectations of increased global supply. A key factor influencing the market is the strong start to the cane harvest in Center-South Brazil. Despite concerns about dry weather in the region, production has been robust. Leading sugar trader Wilmar has indicated that China's sugar production might surpass government estimates, potentially exceeding 11 million tons due to expanded sugarcane acreage. The sugar industry group Unica reported a significant increase in production in Center-South Brazil. In the latter half of April, production reached 1.84 million tons, an impressive 84.25% increase compared to the same period last year. This surge is largely attributed to favorable dry weather conditions. Looking at global production, projections from StoneX and S&P Global Commodity Insights estimate Brazil's 2024-25 sugar production at a staggering 42.3 million tons. This marks a notable increase and highlights the country's growing influence in the sugar market. Datagrow, another key player in market analysis, forecasts a modest global surplus of 1.62 million metric tons for the 2024-25 season. This is a reversal from the previous season's deficit, driven by recovering production in Thailand and increased output in China. However, it's important to note that India's sugar production has decreased by 1.6% year-over-year as of April 30th. Speculative activity has also played a role in the recent price dynamics. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC) reported that funds have increased their net short positions on ICE US raw sugar futures. As of May 14th, speculators raised their bearish bets by 13,919 lots, bringing the total to 58,274. To wrap up, the decline in ICE sugar prices is a result of various factors, including robust production in Brazil, optimistic projections for global supply, and increased speculative activity. As we move forward, it will be crucial to monitor these elements and their impact on the market. Thank you for tuning into Ajay Guru. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and expert analysis on commodities. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.